Okay, Pranay, thanks a lot for that detailed analysis about how brokerages may possibly be toning down their expectations on India post-demonetization. But let's bring on board our next set of technical guests. Ruchit, Jain, as well as Sumit Bagadia now join us on the show to give us their technical picks. Ruchit, over to you first. Then, what exactly is standing out for you in this market?
Hi, good morning. Well, I've chosen two buy calls in this market because we are expecting this market to move higher and cross this 8250, which was the recent high made. Among the stock specific trades, we are recommending to go long in M&M first. Very seldom we see all the time frame charts intraday, daily as well as weekly showing similar kind of signals. In Mahindra & Mahindra, the stock is right now trading around its 200 SMA on the weekly charts, which is a very long-term support. On the other hand, if you observe the daily charts, then the stock has formed a morning star pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern on the daily charts, and on the intraday charts, it has given a breakout from a falling wedge pattern. So on all the time frame charts, it is indicating that we may now see a pullback rally in M&M in short term. So one can look to go long at current levels, keeping a stop loss below 1130, expecting a target of up to 1280 in about 1 week's time frame. And my next call is a buy call in Asian Paints. One needs to look at a bit longer term picture of Asian Paints. The stock, although has recently given a decent correction from the high which it had registered, but if you observe, then 4 months earlier the stock had given a breakout of the resistance of 905, 910, which was acting as a stiff resistance earlier. So that breakout is expected to act as a support now. Since last 3 weeks, the prices have been consolidating near the support levels, and the parabolic SR indicator on daily charts have also turned into a buy mode. So we are expecting a pullback move at least up to 200 DMA on the daily chart, which is coming around 1000 rupees. So one can go long in the Asian Paints at current levels, keeping a stop loss below 893 for target of 1000.
There you have it. Those are some top trading recommendations coming your way. Watch out for Asian Paints as well as M&M in trade. But in the meantime, I just want to keep it with some individual stocks that are holding out in trade. Pull up a Delta Corp. That one is seeing quite a bit of traction buzzing away in the session, currently up by a good 3.2%. And if we just pull up the long-term charts as well, you'll see that yes, there was definitely a blip that came in on account of demonetization, given the kind of nature of the business that the company operates in. But Delta Corp should just come up for you on your screens as we speak, holding out very steady at about 113. A number of PSU banks also are doing the trick today, OBC being a case in point, which is pretty active in the session. And you also have a Patel Engineering, as we've been talking about, very upbeat in trade right now. But let's get in Sumit Bagadia to share his top trading recommendations as well. And Sumit, take us through what exactly you've picked out for our viewers today.
Hi, good morning, Awan. Well, I have 3 stocks for the day, 2 on buy side and 1 on sell side. The first one is Adani Port, which is on buy side. I think Adani Port, after a correction now, started its up move, and today also we are seeing a good momentum on positive side. I think immediately Adani Port is headed for 285, and then we can see levels of around 295 also. I think for a trading perspective, if anyone wants to initiate a position in Adani Port, then that should be on long side. One can initiate long position at CMP with a strict stop loss to be placed at 270 rupees on lower side. This is a trading stop loss. For the upside, an immediate target of 285. And if 285 is taken away, then we can see extended move till 295 levels. The second stock for the day is Dabur. Dabur is looking weak on charts. Yesterday we saw a sell-off in the counter. We saw selling pressure at higher levels. Looking at the momentum, it seems that the same selling pressure can continue, and there is a possibility that on downside we can see levels of around 265 next couple of days. For a trading perspective, one can initiate long position in Dabur at CMP, or if there is a small pullback in prices till 283, 284 levels, then that can be a good selling opportunity with a stop loss to be placed at 288 rupees on higher side for the downside target of 265 levels. The third pick for the day is from Power Space, that is NTPC. NTPC is looking good on charts. It seems that from present levels we can see upside rally in the counter, in which we can see levels of around 176 in next couple of days. So for a trade, one can initiate long position in NTPC at CMP with a trading stop loss to be placed at 160 rupees on lower side for the immediate target of 171 levels. And if 171 is taken away, then we can see extended move till 176 levels. So overall, NTPC is looking good on charts.
Okay, a buy on Adani Ports, NTPC, but a sell call coming in on Dabur. Thanks a lot, Sumit, as well as Ruchit, for joining us. Let's shift focus to commodities then, and Himanshu Gupta joins us now. He's the senior market strategist at Karvy Commodities. Hi, Himanshu, good morning.